So my kids asked me, hey dad, can we go to SeaWorld and LEGOLAND for Christmas? So guess what? Where we going?
And LEGOLAnd and that Lego.
Oh yeah.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely.
And we're on the road. So should be about a 4-hour drive from Vandenberg to San Diego.
Yeah.
We're gonna check into our hotel and have dinner at Phil's Barbecue. That's a whole separate video there. We're gonna order some good food from Phil's Barbecue. They got this beef ribs and it is amazing. It's like a must get when you go to Phil's Barbecue. But yeah, everybody's in, kids are excited. Who's ready for LEGOLAND and SeaWorld?
Me.
Oh yeah.
Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind and word, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. We are not at an Airbnb or our hotel yet. We decided to make a pit stop at my sister's house, and right now we're getting ready to go to my niece's volleyball game, and then we'll head out to San Diego and check into our hotel and then try out that famous, delicious Phil's Barbecue. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Just wanted to check in with you guys. I'll see you.
Got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption.
Line up 3. 1, 2, 3,
Get out of here, everybody have fun.
So my husband doesn't know I took his GoPro, but we are on the way to... All right, the kids are excited. I picked up my god babies, Asen, Ariel in the back. So we're gonna head to San Diego now. Alrighty, let's go on an adventure.
Like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me.
What is going on, guys? We finally made it to San Diego. I will give a little tour later on, show you guys the pool. I'm pretty sure it's heated. I do see people swimming right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys our room.
Stroke overseas, I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
What is going on, guys? We are on the way to
Dinner.
No, Phil's Barbecue.
Oh yeah, barbecue. Phil's barbecue.
yeah.
Barbecue chicken.
Who's excited?
Me.
Big bag, big bag. We here.
Big bag.
So we have a big group, right? Like about 10 plus, including the kids and my friend.
Yeah.
And they hooked us up with this private room here, and it's very nice. You can see here.
Yeah.
So remember, if you guys come with a big group, just request to sit in, you know, the, I don't know what you call this, the garage. It seems like it's a garage. But yeah, very nice. Isolated from all the noise and stuff. They play pretty nice music here. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just I wanna be with you. 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 I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way. Am I in the way? I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I have to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.